Hello team and family, this is WA number 7, question 7. Which powers are listed in order from least value to greatest value? Now, wherever you see this box in front of the 5, that means it's a negative 5, so I'll put negative 5 in there. And then for 1, it's negative 1 as well, so I'm just going to put negative in front of the 1. So it looks like the 4 different powers that I have is 1 to the 4th, or 1/4 to the 0 power, 8 8/10 to the first power, negative 5 to the second power, and negative 1 to the third power. So I'm going to start by solving 1/4 to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. So 1/4 to the 0 power is 1. 8 8/10 to the first power is 8 8/10. It stays the same. Anything to the second power is like multiplying negative 5 times negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25, because a negative times a negative is a positive. And then negative 1 to the third power is negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1, which I know is going to get me 1. Now I need to figure out if it's a positive 1 or a negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. 1 times negative 1 gets me a negative 1. So when I order these numbers from least to greatest, least would be the negative. So least would be the first one, which is negative 1 to the third power, because I got negative 1 when I multiplied that. Next one would be positive 1, which is 1/4 to the 0 power. Next would be 8 8/10 to the first power. And then last would be negative 5 to the second power. And if I just took the values, like 25.00, I took 8 8/10, I took 1 whole, and I took negative 1 whole, you can see which ones are bigger, and so that can help you order them. So my first number is negative 1/3, my next number is 1/4 to the 0 power, third is 8 8/10 to the first power, and then the last number is negative 5 to the second power. So my answer is C, because those are showing them in order from least to greatest.